Motherfuckers don't wanna try me. I'm older and wise, and I'm known for my pride and the ghost that's inside. And my flows come and strike like a bone crusher knife. Anyone that's try to jump me's like he won't fucking die. I got too much heart, I won't stop trying to charge. You gon' need a tool to stop me like a hot wire car. Clock strikes 12, try and lock my cell, and they'll find everybody dead in the lock right apart. You're the broad underwater, I'm like Jaws, I'm the shark. I'm like Michael Vick's last surviving Rottweiler dog. Grand champ into hell and back, drop fire bars, and the fire that I spit'll probably stop my own heart. Down for whatever, kid, I'm lost in the dark, and I'm trying to get better, but I'm not trying hard. Walk by my yard, cop box, cut a scars, chop like your cock when their jaw locked while it's hard. What? All I wanted was to blow up, like my enemy's car when it started. But if you tell me dumb it down, no, I'ma tell this whole world it gets smarter. And if they try to tell me lighten up, I'll just get in the booth and spit darker. Don't try to wage a war against me, cause revenge only makes my dick hard. I'm also sick of ignorant bitches who think it's funny I flow, covering their jugular and spewing blood as they choke. You shelter son of a bitch, make me the butt of a joke. Then I crack you with a gun till the butt of it's broke. Any chance I get, I rock a halo, but I'm a sinner, man. Y'all could be a square, I'ma be a fucking pentagram. Bloody like the octagon gets, I got super sperm. I'm the real father of the Octomom's kids. I'ma drop a bomb off and all quit and all stop when on top of my cocks where a soccer mom sits. I'm just kidding, I won't stop, I'm too sick. I'm unstoppable, apocalyptic author with a rocket launch kid. Just a monster with no off and on switch, never held off. Haters tell me spitting when I do, they faces melt off. My growing pains got me throwing flames now. When I rap in the house, the gas has to turn itself off. I'll take this belt off and leave another well cross. Your face, this shit is self-taught like women that